morning students. Welcome to General Science class. We are learning about the way we can save our natural resources, isn't it? Okay. In the previous class, we have learned about the conservation of forest and wildlife. Recycling of old papers is the mean to reduce the need for fresh supplies of trees. Thus, we can save forest. And we can save wildlife by avoid hunting and destruction or harming of forest, and by preventing pollution of rivers and seas. Also, we can have set up for wildlife park and sanctuaries where animals are protected. This all we have learned yesterday, isn't it? Okay. Today let's learn about saving our soil, saving our soil resource. How can we save our soil resource? Okay. Soil, you know that soil is also very important. We have learned all this, the importance of all these natural resources, isn't it? Okay, so it is our responsibility to protect our soil resource. Okay, there are two ways in which soil gets harmed. It gets polluted by the waste we produce. It gets polluted by the waste we produce. Second thing, it gets eroded by wind and water. It gets eroded by wind and water. So, to avoid the pollution of soil, we have to find a solution for that, isn't it? Okay. First thing is managing the waste. Managing the waste. We can try to reduce pollution by managing our waste in a better way. Waste that come from plants and animals can be turned to compost when with the help of decomposers present in the soil itself. Okay, the waste from plants and animals can be turned to compost. Okay. And with the help of decomposers, natural decomposers present in the soil. For that, what we have to do? We have to dig a pit. Dig a pit and put the waste in that. Animal waste and plant waste. And in village area and all, we can easily do it. We have enough area. Okay, and we dig a pit. Waste pit we call. Okay, and every day's waste we put in that pit, then cover with the soil. Okay, after 3 or 4 months we can take it out and put for other trees and plants. This compost will increase the fertility of the soil. This compost will increase the fertility of the soil. This is the way we are managing our waste in village area and all. Even in the city, you people can do it. Okay, by taking 1 or 2 waste bin and collect waste in that and cover with a little mud or soil. And you can use after 2 or 3 weeks, you can use this compost for your potted plant also. That will help the plants to grow well. Okay, you try to do it. Okay, that is one way of managing the waste. Okay, then you have already learned that metals, glass, paper and some plastic can be recycled. Recycling save the resources and also reduce pollution. Recycling save resources and reduce pollution. Okay. Certain things like disposable cups, plate, thermocol and all can neither be decomposed nor recycled. So, but it is better to stop using this. Avoid using these things. They pollute the soil and water bodies and chalk drains. So only sometimes flood comes, isn't it? Because it a chalk drainage system and all. Okay. So avoid using such kind of things that can neither be decomposed nor recycled. Okay. The disposable cups, plate and thermocol and all. Okay. So then another way we have to save the soil is controlling erosion. Controlling erosion. Okay. You know that soil that is not protected by plants get carried away by water. Okay. This is especially true of the hills. It is best to have mountains covered with the trees. Okay. This also slows down the rush of water down the mountain slopes and prevents flood. But sometimes it is necessary to clear the forest and cultivate crops on hill slopes. Okay. The best way to do this is to cut steps down the slope so that soil washed off from one step can be collected in the next. So this kind of farming is called a step farming. Step farming prevents erosion of the soil. Step farming prevents erosion of the soil. So these are the two ways we can save the soil. First one, managing the waste. Second thing, controlling the erosion. So you read page 62 thoroughly and try to understand it. That's all for today. Okay. Thank you.